Hi, in this section, we will be creating this incoming call animation using nothing but circles and an image in SwiftUI. This animation is similar to the animation you see in Microsoft Teams when a team member is calling. We will create this effect using the hard light blend mode along with animation delay. Finally, we will replace the circles in this animation with outline heart icons, which are all SF symbols, to create this unique look. You can learn how to create this animation from my SwiftUI animation course on Udemy.